Okay, so it's a polynomial p of x has degree 3. It goes on to say p0 is equal to 0, p1 is equal to 1, p2 is equal to 2. It goes on to say the polynomial has a repeated root at x equals m, where m is a positive number. The value of m is, all right? Now you get choices. I'm going to go to the whiteboard and kind of summarize what they said in the problem, all right? Now let me open up a whiteboard here. Let me expand it out. And let me just go up here. So I got a degree 3 polynomial. Now again, I'm just writing down, I wouldn't, if I were taking this exam, I wouldn't be writing this down necessarily, but you know, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d plus e. Now it's third degree polynomial. There's coefficients, you know, a, b, c, d, and e. And it's third degree, so a can't be 0, all right? Now they do say some things over here. They say p of 0 is 0, p of 1 is 1, p of 2 is 2. But the real important thing about this one over here is they tell me something about the factors of this thing over here. And by the way, I know there's 3 factors. I'm sorry, 3 roots. I'm sorry about that. I misspoke. There's actually 3 roots to this problem over here. And one of those roots is repeated. So I'll write down m, that's a repeated root, with the understanding that m is a positive number. And there's another root. Now, since I used m, I'll go for n. Whoops. So I know this thing's going to equal some multiple, k, I don't know what that is, and then it's going to be x minus m squared times x minus n. All right? So what I do now is I start to write down what they said about these, this polynomial. They said p0 is equal to 0. Let's write this down. What do you get? You get k, then you get m squared, and then you're going to get minus n. All right. What does this tell me right now? I'm looking at this, and this actually tells me, by the way, k cannot be equal to 0. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a third degree polynomial. M is not 0 as well, so n must be 0. So I'm going to revise now. P of x is equal to k x minus m squared. All right, go to the next piece of information they told me. They told me that P1 is 1. I'll write this down now. So what do you get? You get k 1 minus m squared is equal to 1. They also told me that P2, that's going to be 2k, 2 minus m squared is equal to 2. Now this is 2 equations, 2 unknowns. All right, I'm going to look at that. And certainly you can expand that if you want, but I'm going to do a division. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the P of 1, which is k, 1 minus m squared is equal to 1, and divide it by that second equation, which is 2k, 2 minus m squared is equal to 2. All right? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to say k is not 0, so these cancel off, by the way. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. That cancels off. So really what we're left off with is 1 minus m squared equals 2 minus m squared. All right? I'm going to expand it out, by the way. So it's 1 minus 2m plus m squared equals 4 minus 4m plus m squared. The m squareds cancel off. Let's see, you get 2m. I'm adding 4m to both sides, by the way, and subtract 1 from both sides, you get 3. Make sure I did that right. Add 4m, I get 2m. Subtract 1, I get 3. So m is equal to 3 over 2. All right? Now, going back over the choices that they give me, certainly mistakes happen, by the way. You want to check this out. Am I finding it? I am. And what is it? It's choice A. And we're done. Thank you.